Okay, in this concept, we want to find sample variance and sample standard deviation. So I'm going to pick an open cell, and I'm going to start to type the word variance. Now, when I start to do this, two options kind of show up for me. In this case, several options, but most of these are not relevant for our course. We've got var p and var s, so variance of a population and variance of the sample. So at this point, we kind of need to decide what we're dealing with. And since the question that we're answering is the sample variance, then I'm going to double click that. And I just need to highlight my numbers and hit enter. And so that's my sample variance. And now to calculate standard deviation, I'm going to show you two ways to do this. Once I've got my variance, then the relationship between variance and standard deviation is simply to take the square root. So I can take the square root of this particular number, so equals my hands are off, SQRT. Open that up, click the number I want to take the square root of, and there's that. That's one option. The other way is, same way I did variance, I can start to type standard deviation. That's STDEV. And again, you notice we have P and S, the standard deviation of the population and the standard deviation of the sample. So again, in context, we have to decide what we want because the question is in fact dealing with the sample standard deviation. That's the one we're going to pick. Highlight all of my numbers and then close parentheses, and notice it's the exact same number.